Refrigerators are the unsung heroes of our kitchens, keeping our food fresh and our drinks cold. At the heart of this appliance is the compressor, pumping refrigerant through the system. The condenser cools that vapor, turning it into liquid, while the expansion valve prepares it for the evaporator, where it absorbs heat and cools the fridge. Don't forget the freezer compartment, perfect for keeping ice cream at just the right temperature. The thermostat keeps everything in check, and those crisper drawers? They're essential for keeping fruits and veggies fresh. Regular maintenance of these parts not only boosts efficiency, but also extends the life of your fridge.